Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will write alphabet A to Z in bold letters, in small letters and words starting from the alphabet A to Z. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. First one is capital A, small a, and the word is apple, apple. Next, capital B, small b, and the word starting from B is ball, ball. Next alphabet, capital C, small c, and the word starting from alphabet C is carrot, carrot. Next up we have capital D, small d, and the word starting from D is duck, duck. Next is capital E, small e, and the letter starting from alphabet E is elephant, elephant. Next is alphabet F, capital F, small f, and the word is fish, fish. Next is capital G, small g, the word starting with alphabet G is girl, girl. Next is capital H, small h, and the word is horse, horse. Next is alphabet I, capital I, small I, and the word is igloo, igloo. Next is capital J, small j, and the word is juice, juice. Next alphabet is K, capital K, small k, and the word is kite, kite. Next is capital L, small l, and the word starting with alphabet L is leaf, leaf. Next is capital M, small m, and the word is moon, moon. Next is capital N, small n, and the word is nest, nest. Next is capital O, small o, and the word starting with alphabet O is octopus, octopus. Next is alphabet P, capital P, small p, and the word is pencil, pencil. Next is capital Q, small q, and the word starting with alphabet Q is queen, queen. Next is alphabet R, capital R, small r, and the word is rabbit, rabbit. Next is alphabet S, capital S, small s, and the word is sandwich, sandwich. Next is capital T, small t, and the word is tiger, tiger. Next is alphabet U, capital U, small u, and the word is umbrella, umbrella. Next is alphabet V, capital V, small v, and the word is violin, violin. Next is alphabet W, capital W, small w, and the word is water, water, melon, melon, watermelon. Next is alphabet X, capital X, small x, and the word is xray, X-ray. Next is alphabet Y, capital Y, small y, and the word is yogurt, yogurt. Last one, alphabet Z. Capital Z, small z, and the word is zebra, zebra.